ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King. And this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
We're in Calabasas, enjoying the view and the turtles, as you can see to our right. But we're going to be back in LA. And we want to start off our first hot topic with Kourtney Kardashian. With the whole Kardashian clan, we know that Calabasas is your stomping ground. And Kourtney, you're looking hot. Ooh-wee, baby.
She's looking really good with the short haircut that she has, the bob. It looks amazing.
Dr. Ross, she's competing with Kim and the entire clan right now. But one thing I have to say, in the latest photo, we'll put it right here, you look damn good. But the one thing we changed is maybe put the asymmetrical cut.
That's right. And like you said, IK, she is competing with Kim because her new boyfriend, the Travis Barker, that they've been together for a month or two, he used to like Kim, and we don't know if he still likes Kim.
But Dr. Ross, with Travis Barker, I feel this is good because she's getting her swerve on. I know she's trying to make it as if I've got Travis Barker, I'm the groupie now. But Kourtney, IK is here. That's for you, baby.
I gotta ask, man, what's it like living without the internet?
It's alright. I just get photos of your mom through the mail.
Exactly.
We're going to go ahead and mention that the movie that we just saw, the, what's it called? Hitman's Wife's Bodyguard, with Selma Hayek, Morgan Freeman, Ryan Reynolds.
Samuel Jackson.
That's right. It was amazing. What the F? Why was it so good? It was so good. The cast did it again.
I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. In fact, for the first time since Kincaid killed Kurosawa, I'm starting to imagine a life without bodyguarding. This really feels like a new beginning.
Let's go,
Exactly. If you guys haven't seen this film, go watch it.
Exactly.
And if you haven't watched the original, go watch that one too, because Dr. Ross actually did a little skit for that one, reading off the monologue. And we'll put that in the link in the description below.
That's
but
right.
For everyone out there, go watch the film, go enjoy life, and enjoy this sunny breeze. Into our She's Hot contest winner for this day.
And for today, the She's Hot winner is Miss Zulay Hanaho. She's a Colombian actress that was recently in the Meet the Blacks 2 and the first one. So go find her because she's our She's Hot winner. So congratulations on our She's Hot winner. The votes ran in.
Congratulations, Miss Zulay.
Hot.
Exactly. And you know, Dr. Ross, we're going to have to invite her onto our show. Put her on our brand new podcast.
That's right.
We might
Colombia is in.
We're going to have to put you in one of our brand new vampire movies because we know you were the vampire in the Meet the Blacks.
That's right. With the little pimp. And for our next hot topic, we're going to go ahead and mention that Tiger Woods was spotted recently in California, but on crutches. So
But Tiger, stay away from the liquor and stay away from the cars for now, because you already know. Hi, Dr. Ross and I as the Bodyguard. We just watched the film The Hitman's Bodyguard, but you already know. You already know what's up, Tiger.
Exactly.
Let's get into our next and final hot topic for today.
So,
we want to talk about the...
Miss Erica Jane. How she's making a new TV show called, a documentary on her life called The Housewife and the Hustler, where she's saying she didn't know that her ex-husband was a hustler, but the housewives are saying that she's a liar and a criminal, but Miss Danielle, who was...
She was actually saying on her interview she was going to be with him forever and ever.
Exactly.
And everyone has been saying, you know that's a goddamn lie.
That's right.
And we all know it here at the Rose and Gold team. One thing I have to say, though...
money hungry, scandalous, and ruthless.
Exactly. Always looking for another victory. But one thing, you maybe should not have released that documentary right now, especially since you're in the legal battle, because now you just got dropped, and it's not looking good for you. Obviously, you can go to other people, because who's gonna say no to money?
But let's close it off, IK.
These were all of our hot topics, but for Kylie Jenner and the entire clan, that's for you. Au revoir. We'll see you in Calabasas. We'll see you guys in the next episode. We're out.